well, pag nasa South Korea ka talaga, you can't help but feel maging star ng sarili mong K-drama. At eto na nga, para maisa katuparan yan, may nakilala tayo photographer to the celebrities na pumupunta rito. At ang best part, abot kaya sila. Sino nga ba sila? Kilalanin sa report na ito. K-drama feels ba kamo? K-artista o hindi? Kayang-kaya. Pwede nang maging K-totohanan ang K-drama dreams mo. Meet Diane and Jay Lee. South Koreans pero Pinoy na Pinoy at heart. At nahanap nga nila ang kanilang passion sa pagkuha ng litrato at mga video ng pinaka mahahalagang moments sa mga bakasyonista dito sa South Korea. Dahil sa Your Day Photography Korea. Sample na muna kami ng Tagalog, Dayan. Ano ka ba, Pilipino ako? Ayun na nga! Di ba nakakagulat? Di ba? Pinay na Pinay
Filipino
at heart.
in Korea.
Koreano pero lumaki sa Pilipinas si Diane at nagtrabaho rin sa media. Umuwi na lang sila ni Jay sa Korea after ng lockdown.
Ibang atake kapag lumaki sa Pilipinas.
Correct. So lumaki.
Even my husband.
Yeah, Jay, you guys met where?
Here in Korea.
Wow.
Yeah, because we're both sharing the same passion. So, we met dahil sa camera.
Dahil sa camera.
Diba?
Diba?
Love at first glance.
Ang kanilang passion ay ginawaran nilang negosyo.
So, this is such a blessing, no? Nag-umpisa lang kami dahil lang kay Benedico and Denise Laurel.
Wow.
It's very rare to find friends to hang out with. So, when I saw Ben was here, that was 2023, no? So, kinausap ko lang si Ben. Sabi ko, Ben, can I take your photo? And then I just want to go out. And then, thankfully, nag-yes siya. So, nag-meet kami. And then, the rest is history. Walang intention to be a photographer. We just want to take their photos, just like touring a friend, no? And then, people started messaging my personal IG.
Oh, wow.
And then, sabi ko, B, let's... Because gusto ko lang makamit ng tao, no?
Kahit namamayagpag na sila, abot kaya ang kanilang presyo. Dahil ang goal lang ni Jay at Diane,
Core of this business is building relationships with the client. So we're just happy, just two of us. Yeah, so we don't mind maging malaki or still same because I think we value more is yung mga taong na-meet namin. And then whenever they come back to Korea, we are part of their itinerary na. So I think yun yung pinaka-essence of what we're doing now.